So we're here at Lakshman Sagar, a 157-year-old former hunting lodge which has been converted to a beautiful and peaceful luxury resort. It's here in Rajasthan, India, and we've really been enjoying our time here and we can't wait to show you around. So Lakshman Sagar is absolutely massive, spread over 32 acres with 12 totally private independent cottages, each with a private pool.
And they also have a big pool for all guests to use as well. I mean, why even? You don't even need to. You have your own private pool, but I guess if you want a big pool, if you want to lounge out, you have options. Now what I love are all the Indian touches that you see around Lakshman Sagar. They've made it very modern, very comfortable, but everywhere you look, everything is so rich with the Indian heritage.
So Lakshman Sagar was originally built to hold emissaries and other noble families.
Now Lakshman Sagar is a hidden gem and it's just picture perfect surroundings, make it a wonderful place to come and escape. Another benefit of staying in Lakshman Sagar is their ethos of organic living. What I love is that they have a farm right here where they grow all of their greens and they grow many of their vegetables here. The other things are locally sourced from local markets, so when you eat here, you know you're getting high quality, fresh, local produce. One of the most magical things that we've seen here was last night when the sun was going down. The sunset was gorgeous, and right after that we look up and there are just peacocks flying over our heads. We didn't even know peacocks could fly, but apparently they can.